What do you know not to mess with due to experience? Chickens while their baby chicks are present. You see, my brother was a diagnosed psychopath who even at 18 liked hurting animals. He loved the feeling of power it gave him, and one day he decided to have some fun with the baby chickens in our farm. He grabbed up one of the little chicks in the coop and squeezed it until it started to scream. I saw this and tried to stop him, but he was bigger and stronger than me, so my attempts did nothing. Now, the chickens were used to me picking up the chicks and petting them, so they weren't alarmed when my brother picked it up. However, when the chick screamed, all hell broke loose. All the chickens went after my brother, going for his face and eyes. The rooster had nails over an inch long on his feet, and he left some serious wounds on my brother's face, missing his eyes by millimeters. Many chickens also swarmed him and attacked his legs viciously until he dropped the chick. He ran out of the coop literally crying, and he never picked up another baby chick.